Alright, this morning we're going to learn how to find one table out of multiple databases. Suppose you had a server and you have 50 databases on that server and you're just trying to find one table or try to find what database that one table is in. And so in this example that I'm going to use, I believe I have 17 databases. And so we'll find one table in these 17 databases. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the stored procedure SP for each database, which is SP_MS for each DB, which basically performs a loop. You will see the use question mark is just going to pass in whatever database it is. And what we will do is we will select the table catalog from information schema dot tables where table name equals, and in this case I'm going to look for private one, and then we will execute it. And this one takes a little bit because I have a lot of tables on this server. And just to show you while that's loading, this right here, we'll look at that query in a second. This is, of course, your answer. You will see when you scroll down, it is in client marketing. That's where that table is at. Now, where does this come from? This comes from this view right here, and if we select star from it, information schema tables, you'll see that refers to the database, the schema, the table name, and then the table type. And so that's the really one of the quick ways to do that. There are other ways to do that, by the way. You can do a loop, you could do quite a few other things. Either way, this right here is a very commonly used query, or I should say this type of search is very common when you have a server where you have a lot of databases, because for instance what will happen a lot of times is we'll get a ticket where someone's like, hey, could you match this table to this table over here, and so they won't tell you which database they're talking about, and so instead of asking, hey, what database are you referring to, it's really quick and fast just to do this, and that way you don't have to have that extended delay in communication between departments. So that's the way that you can do that, pretty fast, pretty quick, and as you can see, very easy.